to my channel. In today's video, I have an exciting launch from one of my favorite brands of activewear, Yvette Sports. I also have another big fitness update, and I'm gonna be taking you guys along in my week and showing you what I eat in a week. So if you'd like to see all those exciting things, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, this video is being made in collaboration with Yvette Sports. I am so excited about this video. Yvette Sports is launching their new Eco collection, and this is something that I am so on board with. If you guys have been watching my channel for the past probably year, you would know that I am on a journey to become even more of a sustainability queen. I am all here for brands that work to better our planet and provide more sustainable resources for us. That's a big cause that's close to my heart. I didn't always feel this way, but I feel like we're having all these advances in technology and we are not always treating the world the best. So I'm so happy to be a part of Yvette Sports' new Eco collection. It features an entire line of recycled activewear and leisure wear. This is really exciting to me because I first tried out a pair of their 75% recycled For a Better Day high waist, high support sustainable leggings a few months ago. I have them in a few colors. I'll pop them up on the screen. They are the softest, most amazing leggings that I've ever worn. So I was so excited to hear that they were coming out with a new sustainable collection. So let me tell you a bit about it. For the past few years, Yvette Sports has been collecting water bottles to recycle them. To date, they have collected more than 1 million water bottles and they are turning them into activewear. I also do want to mention that the label and the packaging for the Eco collection is also sustainable. The label can be used as a bookmark, and you can also use the packaging for like organizing or packing. I know that my girl Happy Stylish Mommy uses hers to travel, which I totally love that idea because I have so many of the Yvette Sports like little, they look like packing cubes almost. And I was like, what could I use these for? Packing. I'm not traveling anywhere, but when I do, they'll be perfect. So the set I'm going to be sharing with you guys today features 75% recycled polyester and 25% elastane. This is really important because the process through which that they use to make these items is sustainable. And what's even better is that not only are they sustainable, but they're comfortable and fashionable. Now you guys know that I love Yvette Sports. I've been working with them for a little over a year. My favorite part of Yvette Sports is the fact that they have sizes that are inclusive. I'm a plus size 16 right now. So in their line, I take a 2XL in tank tops, a 3XL plus, which is a D through an F in sports bras, and a 2XL in their bottoms. I love that they're high support. Well, the styles that I specifically love are high support. They're really, really comfortable fabrics, and they're fashionable, which is something that's really important to me. Not very often are you going to find brands that feature plus size styles that are supportive, comfortable, fashionable, and now sustainable. So I'm really excited to present this collection to you guys. The Eco collection will be launching on June 25th, and stay tuned because they will have more styles. They're gonna be coming out with some athleisure, which I love, some great neutral colors. The styles that I'm showing today are offered in a plethora of other colors, and I'm just really, really excited about this collection. So let's get on to the sports bra. The sports bra that I'm gonna be showing today, I loved it first of all for the color. You guys know I've been on a really big blue kick, but this is like a soft pale blue, but it's still a little bold and striking. Now I love this sports bra. It is so comfortable. Of course, it's composed of their Eco collection fabric, so it's 75% recycled and 25% elastane. It's very high support. I really feel like when I'm doing all my high impact activities, I am supported well. This did pass the bounce test. I really like that in the back, it features cross straps that give you that added support. It also features molded cups, which I like because I like a little bit of nipple concealment. It's an amazing, soft, comfortable fabric. It features 4-way stretch. It keeps you cool while you're working out. This was definitely one of my favorites. Now, the one thing that I will say is that I've lost over 50 pounds and I have loose skin on my sides. I always talk about it. This bra is not the highest on the sides. So if you're like myself and you have extra fat around your bra band area, it will kind of hang over a bit. Now you can pull it up or pull it down, but I did want to mention that it's not the most full coverage in the back in terms of bra fat, but it fully encompasses all of my breast tissue in the front, and it also has an adjustable bra strap at the back. Now this bra comes in sizes extra small all the way up to 5XL plus, which is amazing, and it's also available in 4 colors. I have this beautiful blue color, and it's so weird. I would have never picked like a muted blue like this, but I feel like it looks so nice against my skin tone. So I'm really, really loving this bra. I have worn it for a walk, and I have used it for strength training and it works really well. It's nice and comfortable, which I love. Okay, now let's get on to the biker shorts. I was so excited about these because last month I actually tried their light support biker shorts, and those are super, super comfy. I even sometimes wear them under my dresses, but you guys know that I traditionally like a really high support legging or biker short. Reason being, I have cellulite, I have a stomach. I like a fabric that's gonna like suck me in a little bit and hold me in place. I also like that these biker shorts are really long. So I am 5'5" 3/4. Yes, that extra 3/4 matters. And these biker shorts come down to right above my knee. So they're really long. I actually feel really comfortable wearing them because they're high support and my cellulite doesn't really show through. I actually feel confident wearing them out. They also have some really nice seams in the back that help to give you the illusion of a more pronounced round bottom, which I like because I always say your girl's plus size, but I don't have a plus size bottom. All in all, I really, really like these biker shorts. They are not see-through, super, super comfortable. They don't have an adjustable drawstring in the front, but they're high support and high-waisted, so they don't slide down, and I really like that. The fabric is just so thick, but it's also comfortable. It's definitely not gonna feel like the biker shorts that I showed you guys last month, and I'll link that video down below and also link those biker shorts. But this is that same very soft and comfortable fabric that I love in the For Better Day sustainable leggings. I have those in black, orange, purple, and that might be all that they came in, but I love those leggings, you guys. So I was so happy to hear that Yvette Sports was coming out with an entire line that was gonna feature recycled materials, because these are super, super comfortable, and I like that I feel supported. Like, being a larger woman with a larger bust and doing jumping jacks and running and things like that, being on the elliptical, because I am back in the gym and working with a trainer. We'll talk more about that next month. It's really important for me to feel supported, and Yvette Sports just gets it. So definitely be sure to check out the links that I will leave down below in the description box. Thank you so much to Yvette Sports for sponsoring this video. Of course, I have 2 coupon codes for you guys, and I will leave them above in the screen and also linked down below. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that portion of today's video. I am just so enthralled with this set. I wish you could feel the fabric. It is just so comfortable. You guys know that For a Better Day legging is my favorite pair of leggings from Yvette Sports. So I'm just so excited to have a new collection that features that same great thick and supportive material. So if you guys want to know what I'm cooking this week, stay tuned. Tonight I'm making baked spaghetti. Now I feel like I've made baked spaghetti on my channel before, but I'm gonna be showing you anyway. I'm also gonna be making Japanese chicken curry, and then for Father's Day I'm making like a sausage and tomato and rice thing that my father asked for. I'll also be making him a pie because he asked for a pie. So if you'd like to see what your girl eats in a week, because she has been slimming down, I'm in the gym now, I'm working with a trainer. I haven't finished my full month with the trainer, so I'll probably give you guys an update next month on that, but I am feeling so amazing now. I am recovering from a cold, so I haven't worked out in about a week, but I feel so amazing being back in the gym. And now that I have even more fabulous, supportive, comfortable, and sustainable activewear, I just feel like I can conquer the world. Stay tuned to see what I'm making this week.
And I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take on then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cocoa. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for the photos. I see all the things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the that's all. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought. Hey, cause there's cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot, hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the few, I get 50 to my G. Hey. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you make any of these meals that I'm featuring. Let me know down below. Tag me on Instagram, everything of the sort. I don't necessarily like cooking, but I somehow always find myself cooking. But I love sharing my healthy meal ideas for you guys. Even though I'm plus size, I still try to cook very healthily because health is the real wealth. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for watching. Definitely check out Yvette Sports. I will leave everything linked down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.